Hello, all you lovely people. Welcome back to my channel, Everything Under the Sun, and I am Francisca. As you can see, I have a three set of lipsticks from the brand Juice. I got it from Amazon, and it came together. It is a set of three, and it just says long stay. And these are all glitters. The first one is purple, followed with silver and gold. So each cost about 60 rupees, and I got it for 175. Three of them I got it for 175. You can check out in the description. I'll be sharing the link. If you like it, you can then just go and buy it. So I'll be doing a combination. I'll be applying a combination of purple and silver and purple and yellow. So I'll be doing purple and yellow on my right hand, since it gets stained. So even if it gets stained, it won't be seen. And for my left hand, I'll be doing a combination of purple and silver.
Let's start. So first we'll do a combination of these both. Sorry, first we'll do, and the quantity is quite good. It's like pretty good. Okay, so it says 2 coats, but I'll be applying as usual, as always. I apply 3 to 4 coats, and these are glitter ones, so I'm super excited too. And the glitter varies. These are the longer ones, and this looks like circular and hexagon shape. Let's see. And sorry guys, I haven't shaved my nails because I like box nails. It suits me well than narrow ones or sharper ones. So let's quickly start. So the first coat is very thin. Unlike the Nykaa ones, these are very thin. So you need to apply at least 3 coats. As you can see, there's barely any. Okay. As you can see, there's barely any glitter on my finger. And the glitters are quite big glitters. Okay, this is how it looks. I think the glitters are too big for my nails. Let's see. And I thought it would come a little darker, but it's a little lighter. This brand, I'm trying this brand for the first time, and I think I didn't like it that much. See. Next I'll be putting the silver. I think silver one is good. Let's see. Okay, this too is a lighter. Okay, these are very light. Light in the sense it's very transparent, and on top of those glitters are not properly highlighted. See, the base is very light. Let's see, I'll apply for this finger. I didn't really like it. I think better I'll go back to buying Nykaa nail polish, Nykaa glitter nail polish. They are too good. Okay, so this is how it is. I didn't like it 1% as well, and I think I'll be spoiling my nails with these. Guys, please don't buy it. I know it looks good from outer packaging, but I didn't like it. It's not worth buying. Oh. See, on camera it looks quite glittery, but when you apply, it's too bad. If you guys are planning to buy this, please don't buy it. Let's see how is the gold one. I'm going to remove all this glitter and I'll be wearing some yellow color. Okay, so the gold one is pretty like the glitters are smaller version, so it is okay. Guys, the gold one is really good. So you can go for the gold one, but you don't get it separate. I guess it comes in a set of 3 or 2. So the gold one is pretty good. I think I'll be removing all of this and just putting the gold one. Really liking the gold one. But it looks very cheap glitter. It's okay comparing to both of this. I think gold is much better, but I still didn't like it. I think I better can go for the Nykaa one. As you can see, I think I'll be removing all of this and applying a normal red color nail polish. Okay, I'll show it to you one by one. See, this is purple. The base is very light. Gold is better than both of them, and this is the silver. Silver is hardly seen. Please don't buy this, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Do like and subscribe. Thank you.